Hey guys, this is Kushi, and today I'm here to talk about a very unfamous topic called menstrual health. अब तुम सोच रहे होगे यार इतने सारे वीडियोस ऑलरेडी हैं, इतनी सारी चीज़ें ऑलरेडी हैं, then why I'm talking about this? Now see, क्या है कि अभी भी हम जानते हैं कि बहुत सारी जो लड़कियां होती हैं दे आर नॉट वेरी आउटस्पोकन अबाउट टॉपिक्स लाइक मेंस्ट्रुअल हेल्थ। इवन वो शायद यंग एज की भी हो सकती है या फिर अडल्ट की भी हो सकती है। Now I live in almost not very developed but not underdeveloped. It's a small town in Madhya Pradesh. That is Ashurban. Now here girls don't talk about menstrual health that easily. They won't say कि हमारे periods are. They will just say कि नहीं अभी हमें किचन में नहीं जाना, अभी हमें पूजा नहीं करनी. So these are the words they usually speak in reference to I am having periods. Okay. So now what's the main problem is when people are not that outspoken about the issues, these issues just धीरे धीरे करके पढ़ाई शुरू हो जाती है. Now what I am here to share is I have a sister and she is basically in 8th grade. So when she was in 7th and she got her periods, and when she got her periods, then all her classmates were like, नहीं तुम हमसे दूर रहोगी because you are having periods. Now this was something when she told me, I was not living her, I was in Kota. When she told me, I was shocked because I am from medical field, I am an intestine, I am a pre-medical student, and when I heard the thing like this, and I was like, what the fuck, why they are behaving like this? And when I told her that, did you complain to your teacher? And then she says, yes I did, but उन्होंने भी कुछ नहीं किया. That moment I feel really disgusted. The reason was क्यों हम 7th क्लास की लड़कियों में अगर ये मेंटालिटी है कि अगर किसी की पीरियड्स है तो उससे टच नहीं होना है, then how can we just imagine that day जहाँ पीरियड्स एक टैबू की तरह ट्रीट नहीं किए जाए. And that also questions that why sex education is so important in the country like India. क्योंकि अगर नहीं होगी then girls will never know what would be the medical consequences, what the health issues they would be facing if they won't take sanitary napkin or just believe in these types of myths. So this is a big issue for me because I'm also a girl and I really don't want any of the girl or any of the female of this country to suffer something like period shame or something like that. Now when it comes to means मैंने जितना देखा है जितनी भी लेडीज गर्ल्स ये होती है सबसे ज़्यादा पीरियड शेम करती है. क्यों? डिड यू डोंट हैव अ पीरियड्स, आपको पीरियड्स नहीं होते. Why people don't take menstrual as an just natural processes? Why they want to take as a taboo? And that's I hate it, and I really want to spread awareness. And this was my first views about menstrual hygiene and things like that. And I hope you would like it, enjoy it. And I am not coming to the conclusion because I think the conclusion may be processing, and I have just feeded something in the young minds of you guys, and I think and I hope that some of you or me or will together come to the solution one day and will change the menstrual taboo or the period taboo. If we will change period as taboo to a normal conversation. And that's the whole point of this video. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.